In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Windows Soundbar 5.1 rear speaker not working, pairing audio mode and reset. Fix 1. Check physical connection. You just have to turn off all the device and check all the cables for secure connection. And ensure your speaker and soundwoofers are firmly plugged into the subwoofer unit. Inspect for bent pins, loose conductor or fried wires. Test with another good cable if possible. Fix 2. Verify TV and soundbar audio setting. You just have to set the TV audio output to surround sound or 5.1 channel. Look for setting label bitstream or digital surround. Ensure soundbar is set to movie or surround present for full speaker usage. Fix 3. Repair and sync your rear speaker. You just have to turn off and unplug the soundwoofer, soundbar, and rear speaker from the power outlet. Then you have to wait approximately 30 seconds and plug the device back in and power them. And locate the pairing button on the rear speaker or soundwoofer. You just have to press and hold the button for approximately 5 seconds until the light on the speaker start blinking. Fix 4. Factory reset the soundbar. You just have to turn on the sound bar and locate the Bluetooth button and the volume down button. You just have to press both the buttons simultaneously for around about 5 seconds, then observe the LED will flash. Indicate that the soundbar is restarting. After restarting, you just have to repair the rear speaker and Bluetooth device as needed. So doing all this stuff will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.